and welcome to the Crafty Club. Today I will be showing you 3 holiday DIY cards, and this is my second video in our little holiday series of 2020. And remember that I'm going to be now posting on Tuesdays and Saturdays, that way I can fit in as many crafts as I can for the holiday season. Please be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. On to the video. Alright, now this Christmas card is perfect for anyone who loves kind of traditional Christmases. So you're just going to have a little printout of any Christmas song of your choice of the sheet music, then you're just going to glue it on to the back of it and spread it out with a paintbrush and make sure that it's a very thin layer, otherwise the photo is going to, well, for one, it's going to take longer to dry and it will affect the photo a little bit. So once you have it all glued up, you're just going to take it and place it on your card. You can center it if you're not going to put anything else on it, but I did, so I'm just putting it slightly towards the bottom, that way it can have room to draw things. Now this part is optional, but I feel it makes it a little more personal and more festive. So what I did is I just drew a little holly on each of the corners, colored those in with my flare pens, and then I did a bow across with kind of like a line of green. Alright guys, so I finished doing these, and I did 2 of them. I did one Joy to the World and one We Wish You a Merry Christmas. You can do any song you like. You can choose not to do a little decoration at the front, but I feel like it makes it more personal and it just adds a little more holiday spirit to the card. On to the next card. So this next card is more of a modern minimalist card, if you will. So it's pretty much a watercolor card. So what you're going to start off doing is take some tape and you're just going to cut it or rip it off to the size that you would like, and then you're going to make it into a Christmas tree shape. This step takes a while just because you have to wait for each layer to dry, but what you're going to do is pick out a few different shades of green that you think will look nice together and that are a good variety, and you're just going to draw lines, angled, straight, whatever you want, across in the shape that you taped off. That's the Christmas tree. Now it's important that you let each color dry thoroughly, otherwise it's going to all bleed together and then it's not going to turn out the way that it should. You're just going to continue layer by layer, make sure that you dry. It should not feel wet at all to the touch. Make sure that you feel every part of the line, that way no part's going to be wet and then it won't bleed all together. Once you have all of your layers, you're just going to peel off your tape and it should leave you with a nice triangle shape. Once you have all of the tape off, you're just going to write Merry or whatever you would like. Again, this is sort of a minimalist card, so I just wrote a little Merry, and that's it for this card. This last card is a really fun card to make. It's kind of very nice and colorful. So what you're going to begin with is drawing lines across, you'll see in the video, just like that, in the shape of a Christmas tree, that it gets wider, and make sure that you leave room between each line, that way when you draw the lights in, they're not too close together. And then at the bottom, you're just going to draw a little pot thing that would be the hold the tree. Once you have all of your lines marked up with your pencil, you're just going to go over it in black colored pencil, and then you can make the tree holder pot thing whatever color you would like. I chose a red. Now, once you have everything traced over with your colored pencil, at the end of the light string, you're going to just do like a little outlet, so a box, and then just do 2 prongs coming out of it. This next step is really fun. You're just going to draw little light bulbs on both sides of the line going down, and you can use whatever colors you want. I'm using red, orange, yellow, green, 2 different blues, and purple, and I'm not going in like a red, orange, yellow, green pattern. I'm just kind of doing it wherever I feel like it's time for that color. And this is how our third card came out. I really like it. I think it's very festive and fun, and it really helps me get into the holiday spirit. Those are my 3 holiday DIY cards, and I hope that one of them you like at least. I tried to pick a variety, so hopefully one will fit you. I hope that you guys try one out, and remember that I'm now posting on Tuesdays and Saturdays for the holiday season because Christmas time is the best time for crafts. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.